Hello guys, can you see the presentation?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good afternoon sir and good afternoon everyone. So I'm Cassandra Belacho and I am assigned with the GOAT's skeletal system. So before we start, I'll give you the important functions of the GOAT skeletal system. So the first one for that is support. The skeletal system provides support for the body and it allows it to shape for the goat. And the next one is protection because it protects the internal organs from injury. The next one is movement because it provides a framework for muscles to attach to, which allows for movement. And the next is storage because the bones stores minerals. Then the next one is blood cell production. So the goat cell it is actually composed of 244 bones. So and as you can see from the presentation, there is only a few of them because only here what I presented are the important parts of the skeletal system that embodies all the essential functions of the goat skeletal system. So let me give you a brief functions of their parts. So the first one is the atlas. So the atlas connects the skull to the spine. Then this we also have the skull which protects the brain and other organs in the head. Then we have the orbital ridge. So the orbital ridge protects the eye, supports the eye muscles and reduces glare. Then we also have the zygomatic arch, also known as the cheekbone. It helps to support the face and protect the facial nerves. We also have mandible, lower jawbone, which is essential for chewing, speech, and defense. Then we have the vertebral column. So the vertebral column consists of the cervical vertebrae and thoracic vertebrae. So in the goat's case, there are only 7 cervical vertebrae, 13 thoracic vertebrae. Then we have the ribs. They are attached from the thoracic vertebrae and form the rib cage. So the ribs actually protects the heart and the lungs. We have the sternum, also known as the breastbone. It connects the ribs in front of the chest. Then we have the scapula. So the scapula, also known as the shoulder blade, connects the forelimb to the body. Then we have the humerus. So it is the upper arm bone that provides structural support for the limb. Then we have olecranon. It supports, protects, and has a role in the movement of the elbow joint. Then we have the radius. So the radius supports the lower front limb. Then we have ulna. Ulna allows the rotation of the forearm. Then the corpus is a group of 8 bones when it comes to goat. It helps absorb and distribute the shock generated from the contact in the ground. Then we have pisiform. So it has an important function in the wrist joint. Then we have metacarpus. So it allows the extension and flexion of the lower front limb. We had phalange, which are the bones in the fingers and toes that are crucial for grasping objects. Then, punta na tayo sa like in the leg part. So we have first, no, we have to go with the sacrum. It connects the spine to the pelvis. Then coccygeal, also known as the tailbone. So it supports the tail and assists in balance and movement. So ilium, it connects the spine to the hind legs. And ischium is a bone that forms the hip bone. So femur is the upper leg bone that allows the movement of hind leg. Patella, or known as the kneecap, is a small bone that sits in the front of the knee joint. So tibia is the larger of the 2 bones in the lower leg. It allows the goat to bend and extend its hind leg. Calcaneus, also known as the heel bone, it allows the flexibility and mobility in the hind limb. Then we have the tarsus or tarsal. So it is a group of 7 bones in the ankle and it connects the goat's hooves and coordinates in movement. And yeah, I think that's just about it. Thank you.